Hello world. Today I'm going to show you the very new and personally very excited thing for me, new BEVEL tool, improved BEVEL tool in a Blender 2.82a. I personally I'm very glad and excited about it, because I was waiting for something like that a very long time. New BEVEL, custom BEVEL look absolutely amazing. Let's start with this primitive object, just as an example. When it has flat shade, it looks relatively okay, how it's supposed to look. It's look realistic, but often objects in real life has small radiuses on edges. Not all edges are as sharp as here. I used to fake it, if I'm using shade smooth. Now the object doesn't look realistic at all. It's the shading is all weird and looks incorrect. I used to fake small radiuses with a. Just give me a second. With adding edge loops and adding with a knife tool the radiuses, like manually. This process is extremely tedious and very lengthy and takes a long time, and it's not precise. That's another thing. Even with this very simple primitive object, it takes a lot of time. Over here actually we can do it like this, very relatively quickly. That's how I used to fake like smooth small radiuses on an object. And even on the side it doesn't look okay. Well, on the side we can use inset. I think it's called like this, inset tool. But on a complicated shape or with a lot of polygons, sometimes it's impossible, and I used to model it like that. Just give me a little time just to show you what I mean. I used to create this kind of radiuses manually, and still I'm doing this lengthy way, but I think you understand what I mean. Yeah, it took that long just to put all the radiuses on this small and simple object, even not in all sides of it. On the back side, like this. Now it just emulates the smooth radius, not sharp edge, with a little, let's say, smooth radius. And if you zoom very close, you can see that it has sharp 90-degree angle. This is easy to fix, but just by adding subdivision surface modifier and If you turn it off, it's not really visible. In a small geometry objects, this should be good enough. And it's a very lightweight geometry. It's extremely, there are like not that many polygons at all. And in Blender 2.82a, I found on internet a very cool new thing. So, new improved BEVEL custom profiling tool. We have to add one more segment, and even one more, I think. Now we can draw profile on this area, and it's create radius, but it doesn't create correct radius, the one I need. I usually use it like this. I make it sharp, move it here, and another, also make it sharp and move it here. And now if I put this radius to other edges, it creates almost perfect and very optimized smooth radiuses like this. And it's so quick, it's so fast, and it looks absolutely great in my opinion, and takes way less time than I used to spend on it. Much less time, and it looks absolutely great, I think. So it represents this radius correctly and well. So that was a new thing I was gonna share today. I was gonna show, and personally I'm very excited about this new tool. It's gonna help me a lot with my improving my skills of modeling. This is it for today. If you like it, like it. If you don't like it, you can always leave a mean comment on the comment section below. Till next time, bye bye.